Welcome to our garden.
It's mid-June in Paul's garden, and we're going to take a little morning walk. And today he'll be taking out some old lettuce plants and replacing them with some small plants. We try to keep that little lettuce patch sort of in a rotation, and the flowers in the garden just look so beautiful today. I thought I'd give you a look around. Here's the lettuce patch, and as you can see, the lettuce plants have gone to seed. We harvest a few leaves at a time rather than harvesting the whole head, and today we're going to be replacing these lettuce plants. And as you can see, the pathways in the garden are getting very full. This pathway is hardly passable with all of those vines and large leaves from the zucchinis, and this pathway I can still get through. I'm just beginning to harvest the zucchini, and here is one that I found today. You kind of have to keep your eye open for these vegetables. They come quickly and they grow super big almost overnight. So I did catch one before it got too big. This is the perfect size. Here are the new lettuce baby plants that Paul's going to be putting into the garden today. after putting the old lettuce in the compost, we added one more basil to this beautiful patch, a purple ruffle basil. So beautiful. Thanks for joining us today in our simple garden.